Hello everyone and welcome to RenewE News. Let's start with our renewable energy sector news for the day. SMA India is introducing the Sunny Tripower Core 2110 kW string inverter to the Indian market, targeting medium to large commercial PV systems. With flexibility in module orientation, 12 MPP trackers and integration options, SMA aims to regain prominence in India's competitive solar market, where Chinese competitors like Sungrow, Solace, Goodwe, and Core have posed challenges. The product, available from December this year, offers a promising solution for the fast growing commercial and industrial solar segment, hoping to capture market share and meet evolving customer demands. SJVN, a significant player in the power sector, intends to expand its renewable energy portfolio by installing 10,000 megawatt in 3 years and aims to achieve a remarkable 50,000 megawatts by 2040. With several projects under construction and a focus on power supply for all, SJVN's outlook remains positive, as indicated by its IND AA+ issuer rating from India Ratings and Research. The company is actively working on power purchase agreements and green hydrogen projects to strengthen its position in the industry. First Solar's newly operational manufacturing unit near Chennai, India, with a $684 million investment and support from India's PLI-2 scheme, has begun production of unique thin film modules using cadmium telluride semiconductor material, targeting sales in November 2023 after BIS certification, while the company holds an order backlog extending through 2029. TPSSL and SIDBI have entered into a strategic partnership to promote solar energy adoption among MSMEs in India. Under this MoU, MSMEs interested in rooftop solar PV plants and services from TPSSL or its authorized channel partners can access affordable financing through SIDBI's 4E Solar Financing Scheme. This initiative will provide customized and innovative financial solutions, including competitive interest rates and loan limits, to meet the specific needs of the MSME sector. India and Saudi Arabia have entered into a comprehensive cooperation agreement spanning renewable energy, hydrogen, electricity, and grid connectivity, signifying India's transformation from a long-time oil buyer to an energy exporter. This strategic partnership, forged after the G20 New Delhi Declaration, aligns with global goals to triple renewable energy capacity by 2030 and phase out coal power. The collaboration also extends to digital transformation, innovation, cybersecurity, and AI in the energy sector, with India aiming to offer the world's most cost effective green hydrogen. Trina Solar, a prominent Chinese solar PV company, has announced a significant investment of $200 million in the construction of a massive 1 million square feet solar module manufacturing facility in Wilmer, Texas. This facility, slated to commence production in 2024, will have the capacity to manufacture 5 gigawatt of solar modules and will secure its polysilicon supply from both the US and Europe. Their goal is to contribute to American manufacturing and serve the flourishing US solar market, emphasizing their commitment to providing high quality products. In the wake of the recent G20 summit, the renewable energy sector witnesses a robust rally propelled by a joint initiative between India and US. Both countries have committed a total of $1 billion to establish a renewable infrastructure investment fund. This fund aims to support greenfield renewable energy projects, battery storage solutions, and emerging green technologies in India. Additionally, the global community intends to work towards tripling renewable energy capacity by the year 2030, leveraging existing targets and policies. Noteworthy market performers in response to this news include Inox Wind Limited, Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy Limited, Websol Energy System Limited, and JSW Energy Limited, all demonstrating positive growth trajectories in the trading season. Olectra Greentech is gearing up for the Prime Minister's e-bus program and is set to release tenders for 10,000 electric buses in the coming months. The company, led by KV Pradeep, already boasts an order of 9,000 electric buses with plans to deliver at least 1,200 of them over the next 24 to 30 months. To support this ambitious growth, Olectra Greentech is investing in a 150-acre manufacturing facility in Hyderabad, aiming for a production capacity of 5,000 buses or trucks annually, signaling its dedication to India's sustainable mobility objectives. IREDA has just taken a major step by filing for its very first IPO. They are looking to raise funds to support upcoming green energy projects and boost their capital reserves. This IPO comes as a significant development, being the first of its kind in the public sector since LIC's IPO last year. IREDA is a prominent player in the green financing space, serving as India's largest dedicated green financing non-banking finance company. With an impressive investment portfolio spread across various states and union territories, they have been actively promoting and funding renewable energy projects. The company's financial health is robust, as seen from their rising revenues and profits, making this IPO an exciting opportunity for investors and a positive move towards India's renewable energy future. The last news for the day is exciting. Exciting developments are taking place in India's hydrogen generation market, where it's expected to soar to $21.9 billion by the year 2030, showing an impressive compound annual growth rate of 11.1%. On a global scale, the hydrogen market is on the rise, projected to reach $295.8 billion by the year 2030. This surge is underpinned by significant initiatives like India's National Green Hydrogen Mission, which has ambitious goals of producing 5 million metric tons of green hydrogen annually and slashing its cost to $1 per kg by the year 2030. Notably, major companies like Reliance Industries and the Adani Group have already signaled their intent to make substantial investments in green hydrogen production and the development of energy storage solutions. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments how you liked the video. and if you need any other changes or any additions you would like to make in this video. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. You can follow us on LinkedIn as well. We will meet in the next one.